Notion has just released conditional formatting for databases, and I wanted to show you 3 quick examples of how you can use it. First, here's a gallery view of a task database color-coded by status. So not started is grey, in progress is blue, and done is green. To set this up, open the settings menu, choose conditional colour, then new colour setting. In here, select the status property, and you can see by default Notion uses your status colours that you've set in the status property, but you can assign custom colours yourself. To do this, switch match option off, select status is, and pick the options you want to colour code. So for example, I'll select in progress and done and set them to green, and then I'll add another colour code and set the not started as red. The next example is a table view of the same task database where each row is colour coded by percentage complete. So 100% completed are green, 50% and above are colour coded yellow, below 50% complete are orange, and 0% complete are red. To set this up, again open conditional colour and add new colour setting. And this time we're going to set up a few rules. Rule 1. When percent equals 100%, colour it green. And as it's a percentage number property, 1 is 100%. Rule 2. 50% or above, colour code to yellow. Rule 3. Under 50%, set to orange. And rule 4. 0% set to red. Now you can see the problem is that 0% ones remain as orange and not red. And this is where order matters. As 0% is below 50, it matches that rule first. So simply move the 0% rule above the others and it will work as expected. The final example is a weekly calendar view colour-coded by who's been assigned the task. To set this up is the same process. Simply open conditional colour, pick the person property. I'll set myself to show as purple. Then I'll add another and set Faraz to show as yellow. And that's 3 ways to use conditional formatting by status, by percentage, and by assignee. Right now you can't select colours based on formula properties, but I'm sure Notion will add this functionality soon, and when they do, I'll create a video to show you how to use it.